Hey, what's up guys, in this video I am going to explain what is difference between WBUenqueue script and WBUenqueue style and the other functions related to them like WBU register script, WBU deregister script and WBU dequeue script. So let's start. Before starting I have to tell you we are using WBUenqueue scripts. So what is WBUenqueue scripts? It is used for enqueue all the front-end files of JS and CSS. For the admin side, we have to use admin enqueue script like that. But for now, we are using WBUenqueue script for the front-end files. In the WBUenqueue scripts, we are using WBUenqueue script and WBUenqueue style. So what is WBUenqueue script? Let's start. First of all, we have a ID there. If we go to definition, we can see it is handle. So I have to open the view source to deeply tell you what does it mean. If we search for the .js file, we can see there is a ID jQuery migrate JS. So what does ID do? If we are going to dequeue or deregister, then we have to call this ID. So in the next we have get template directory URI. What does that mean? It is used to enqueue all the parent theme files. For the child theme files, we have to use get stylesheet URI. So in the parent theme there is a folder and another folder JS and the file custom.js. So we are getting a file from parent theme custom.js. In the next we have an dependency deps. It means this file is dependent on jQuery. Without it, it will not work. If it is not dependent, then we can call it like that. In the next we have a version 1.0. As you can see, there is a version calling 3.32, but we have a 1.0 version. In the end we have a false. It means if we write false, it will enqueue in the header like top, but if we write true, then it will show in the footer like that. So on the other side we have a WBUenqueue style. The ID is same, the calling function is same, but we have a difference of this. What does that mean? If we call the definition, then we can see it is the media. So what is media? If we open inspect, then if you open the mobile mode, then you can see the resolution of the screen is 768. So if we want to use it above the 768 screen, then we can use it. For example, we can write it like that. So I think this difference is enough for you. I already told you get style sheet is used for enqueue all the child theme files. In this function we are getting files from parent theme, but in this function we are getting files from child theme to enqueue on front end. So like that we have WBU register script. So what does that mean? Sometimes we want a script for the later use, that's why we have just registering it. Whenever we need the script, we can enqueue it anywhere in the functions.php. For example, you have lots of script that will load on WordPress. It will cause slow the site. That's why we are just registering it to not use, but we can use it later with the WVU-enqueue script. As the WVU-enqueue script, we can use WVU-enqueue style. Also, we can dequeue the script or dequeue the style like that. For example, we register that script with the ID and then we will dequeue that script with the same ID. As we can register the script, we can also register the style and we can also deregister style and script. So finally, if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and comment. Thanks.